How to source for PayPal funds. Guys, welcome to this new video. Guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to source for PayPal funds so that you are going to do a business model called arbitrage. Now, as you can see on my PayPal balance, I have $68 and I have $166 on hold. Now this money is on hold because they transferred it through goods and services, and it's going to be on hold for just 3 days. Now by tomorrow this money should be active for me to spend. Now that's by the way. Now for you to use source for PayPal funds, that's the aim of this video. I'm going to show you exactly how to source for PayPal funds so that you're going to transfer this money from PayPal to Grail into your bank account in Grail. So you're going to sell it for a 589 naira for $1. As you can see right here, this is the rate, 589 naira. Okay, so you are going to make more profit. So you are going to be buying the funds for around 480 to 520 or 530, so that you are going to be selling it right here on this platform for about 589 naira. So that's good. Okay, that's good stuff. And bear it in mind that you have no limit, so you can do this stuff for as many times as you want. Okay, there's no card limit or something. So now to source for PayPal fund, you are going to be using a platform called Facebook. So you probably have a Facebook account. Now this is one of the easiest method to source for PayPal funds, but in as much as it's easy, you still need time, you still need people to trust you in order for them to sell their PayPal funds to you. So just go to Facebook and come to this search section here. Now search for, you can do this thing with your phone as well, so I'm just using my desktop, my laptop for just doing it. Okay, so search for something called like PayPal funds available, or buy and sell PayPal funds, or something related to PayPal that you know that people are going to be using as keyword. So once you click on PayPal funds, just search for something like PayPal funds available. You're going to see these groups right here. As you can see, legit paying apps aside through Cash Out or PayPal. So this one is trusted paying app sites, whatever. So you can just click on see more to join as many groups as possible that you know that people in those groups are related to people that want to sell PayPal. But that aside, if you scroll down right now, you're going to see this one says here PayPal funds available for sale. So you can message this guy, you can even chat him up privately, so or you can even join this group that he is. As you can see, the name of the group here is PayPal to Jazz Cash and Bank BTC, whatever. So you can join this group in order for you to interact with all these people that have PayPal funds they want to sell. So trust me, this method is going to take you some time for you to build trust, but this is how I'm able to source my PayPal fund. Right now I don't even disturb myself. People message me on my WhatsApp to tell me that they have PayPal funds to sell, but when I started out it wasn't like that. Okay, I had to go to these groups, join them, and make sure you are very careful so that you won't be raped. Okay, so if you want to do any business with them, make sure they transfer the PayPal funds to your PayPal account first, and you see it before you send out payment. Now make sure you send out payment as fast as possible so that they are going to trust you. They are going to even invite their friends or tell their friends about you, and you have your business going. So as you can see right here, if you scroll down, you see that this guy says here $220 PayPal funds available for sale, Nigerian only, FNF. Now this FNF here means family and friends. So you want to be collecting your PayPal funds using family and friends. Tell them whenever they want to sell PayPal to you, tell them they should use a method called family and friends so that your money won't get on hold. Just like you see right here on my account, my money here is on hold because it wasn't family and friends, it's goods and services. And normally goods and services sometimes usually get on hold, but sometimes after it gets on hold, 3 to 7 days, they are going to release it, then you can have access to it. Now this is it. So as you can see, this is this person, this is another group, PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, BTC, trusted currency exchangers. You just need to join this group. So I can join this group if I want by just clicking here. Just click on join now. So if I just click on this group right here, I'll just click on join now, and I'm going to join the group just like you see me do right now. I've joined the group. Simple and short. So if you scroll down again, you're going to see this guy says yeah, PayPal funds available, serious buyers please. You can message him, and you can also join the group. I click on join, and I can join with any of my account. Just join with this one, and I'm going to join the group where they are talking about PayPal funds and the rest of them. So you want to join as many group as possible. As you can see, there are a whole lot of stuff. This one is want to sell 85 dollar PayPal funds available. Come and carry you. So you can join these things, message them, and you see $200 PayPal funds available. So you need to join them, message them, build a relationship with them, make sure that you've carried out, definitely you're going to carry out one transaction, then from that one you build from there, and you're going to continue. Okay, make sure you are very truthful, and you pay as you said you're going to pay, and the rate you're going to be buying from 480 to around 530, so that you're going to be making profit for yourself. Okay, so there are many groups to join. As you can see, there are many people that want to sell PayPal funds, and they probably don't know this method I'm teaching you. So you need to come here, buy PayPal funds from them, and start doing your business. You need to buy as make sure you have the cash to pay them before you buy. You can start as with you can test this out with as little as you have, so that you're going to see how it works and decide for yourself if it's something you can do or if it's something you can't do. So this is what I would advise you. Start with a specific money, then you can then try to do the arbitrage, see how it goes, then you can then put your money totally on it and see how you build it from there. Okay, that's exactly what I did, and I don't mind. Now on my WhatsApp I get a lot of people that want to do this stuff. So Facebook is a very good platform. You can also do this stuff on Instagram. Go search on Instagram, you're going to see people that want to sell PayPal funds. This is the free method. You need to start doing this thing now. Once you have done this part, the next one you need to go to is Nairaland.com. You need to join this forum. As you can see here, I'm showing you platforms where you can join and meet people. So you need to join all these platforms. Go to Nairaland, create an account. I'm already logged into my account. This is King Gobi right here. So all I need to do is to search for something like PayPal funds for sale or something, and once I search for it, it's going to put up a lot of suggestions or a lot of stuff. Then I can start seeing it. As you can see right here, there are a whole lot of stuff. Let me scroll down. So as you can see here, this one says I buy all gifts card, Yankee funds, Cash App, PayPal, whatever, and he's going to drop his WhatsApp contact. So you too, you want to come here and post your ads. Okay, tell them you're buying. As you can see, this person says buying Skrill, buying Nutella, buying PayPal, buying gifts card, and whatever. So you want to post your stuff here. Okay, so if you want to create these banners or something, go to canva.com. Now you can do this thing with your phone. Okay, I'm using my laptop. Okay, that's why I'm going through it with my laptop, but you can also do it with your phone. Come to Canva here, create a banner for yourself. Okay, for your business, you can give it any name, just call it any name you want, and create a banner. Okay, on the banner, just say you buy PayPal funds, you buy for now you just buy PayPal funds. I'm also going to show you as time goes on, as most of you that are interested, I'm going to show you how to use Payoneer, how to use Skrill, how to use Nutella, and the rest of them. But for now, we're using PayPal. So you just want to come to this. You can just come here and click on social media. Once you click on social media, you're going to see Instagram posts, Facebook posts, whatever you want to use. So we can just use Facebook post. It's going to pull up the dimension for us. Then we can select a template and design the template. So to design on Canva, very simple. Design a flyer on Canva. Now once you've designed that flyer is what we are going to be using, to post it on Facebook, telling people you buy funds, to post it on Nairaland, and to post it on Instagram. Anywhere you have audience or people are using so much, you can post it here and tell them what you do. You buy PayPal funds. Okay, now once you're gonna, after some time, trust me, when you get started, people might not message you, but after some time, people are going to be messaging you that they want to sell PayPal funds. Okay, so just like as I am now, people message me, tell me they want to sell PayPal funds, then I buy from them. Okay, so just know that this is the model of the business. Okay, I'm telling you real fast. So I can use this template right now. I can just copy this template. I can just say, okay, I want to use this template right now. So if I click on it, it's going to pull it up right now. So all I need to do is to design these templates to my liking. As you can see, this is the template right here. So I just need to design it to my own taste. Okay, so I can just design it right here and call it anything. So you can work with anything. So this thing that they write here, you can just say I buy PayPal funds, whatever. So I don't want to go through designing stuff right now, but this is Canva and you can do anything you want here on Canva and design it. Now once you're done, you just need to download it, then come to this Nairaland. You can post it just like these people have posted and just write that you buy As you can see, this person here says I buy and sell PayPal, BTC, gift cards, Krill, Netella funds, and receive 50% cash back instantly. He's going to drop his link, and so what you're going to do, once you post it, drop your WhatsApp contact or any means people will get to you faster. So once you drop it, people are going to be getting to you and they are going to be trading with you. Just like this guy, he has his number, he has his social media handles, and this is, as you can see, he says he's buying PayPal funds, buying Payoneer funds, buying Perfect Money, buying Skrill, buying Zella, and he has all his contacts on the banner. So same thing you want to do, you want to have all these things and you want to have your WhatsApp contact somewhere around there. But to use this platform, make sure you have an account. Okay, make sure you have an account. So this is how you are going to be searching for people that want to sell PayPal funds. Then you are going to do it. So you can also post your own stuff right here. Okay, so post your banners and the rest of them. So make sure you have an account right here on the platform for you to use it. Okay, make sure you have an account for you to use the platform. Okay, so once you are done, you can find a whole lot of PayPal people that want to sell it on this platform, people that want to buy on this platform. So once you have registered for these two platforms, start communicating with people, start talking to them. You are going to see people that are interested to sell their funds to you. Now, another way to buy PayPal funds is actually reaching out to freelancers already, people that work on Fiverr and the rest of them. All those people have PayPal funds that they want to sell. You can buy from them, like remember, from 480 to 530, so they are going to have profits. Now once you've done that, you're going to receive the money on your PayPal account. Then you can transfer the money from PayPal into your Krill account in order for you to do the arbitrage. Very simple. Now if you have any issue, maybe you don't understand anything, because I know this process is very simple, but this is the most important process because this is what you need for you to do this arbitrage. Now you need to source for funds. Okay, so if you have any issue at all, tell me in the comment section or anywhere else. I'll be there to answer you properly. Okay, so if you want me to answer you, I'll be there to answer you. This is how I've gotten all these funds and I've traded all these things. Okay, so trust me, it actually works, and you just need to put in the work, and it takes some time for people to trust you. I can't even remember my first transaction, but it took a while for me to build those kind of audience or those kind of people. So that's it actually. Okay, so this is how you search for funds using PayPal, using Nairaland. Another one is using Instagram, and do it. Now if you don't want to waste your time, you can also run ads, but that is going to cost you. But I don't want to show you anything that is going to cost you money right now. I just want to show you the free stuff so that you go ahead doing this stuff, because it actually works. If it doesn't work, I'm not going to bring it to you right now. Okay, so it actually works, so you can just start doing this stuff. Okay, now I believe this video was helpful. If you want me to do any other video for you, if you don't understand anything, I can make the video specially for you so they are going to understand. Make sure you join this Nairaland. Make sure you've joined Facebook groups for you to get people that are interested in selling their funds. Okay, so I will see you again in my next video. All I want you to do is keep sourcing for funds, keep advertising your business. This is a good business model because it doesn't actually depend on any card. You can just do this as long as you're getting the funds. Make sure you take all this opportunity. This is what I've been doing, and if it works for me, it is definitely going to work for you. Trust me. True. I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to take action and start winning. Thank you very much.